Frying is a popular cooking method around the world, known for its ability to create delicious and crispy food. However, not all oils are created equal when it comes to health. Choosing the right oil can make a significant difference in the nutritional value of your fried dishes. In this article, we will explore the top 5 healthiest oils for frying, examining their benefits, smoke points, and best uses. 1. Extra virgin olive oil overview. Extra virgin olive oil (EVO) is widely celebrated for its health benefits and is a staple in Mediterranean diets. It is extracted from the first pressing of olives and is rich in monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties. Health benefits. Heart health. EVO is known to reduce the risk of heart disease by improving cholesterol levels and decreasing inflammation. Antioxidants. It contains powerful antioxidants such as vitamin E and polyphenols, which help protect the body from oxidative stress. Smoke point. The smoke point of extra virgin olive oil is around 375 F190 C. While this is lower than some other oils, it is suitable for light frying and sautéing. Best uses. EVO is perfect for frying vegetables, light fish, and chicken. It's also excellent for drizzling over finished dishes for added flavor. 2. Avocado oil overview. Avocado oil is extracted from the flesh of avocados and is becoming increasingly popular due to its high nutritional value and versatility in cooking. Health benefits. Rich in healthy fats, like olive oil, avocado oil is high in monounsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. High in nutrients. It contains vitamins such as E and K, as well as carotenoids that support eye health. Smoke point. Avocado oil has a high smoke point of approximately 520 F271 C, making it one of the best oils for frying. Best uses. Avocado oil is suitable for high heat frying, grilling, and roasting. It can also be used in salad dressings and marinades. 3. Coconut oil overview. Coconut oil has gained popularity for its unique flavor and health benefits. It is extracted from the meat of mature coconuts and is high in saturated fats, particularly medium-chain triglycerides (MCTs). Health benefits. Metabolism boost. MCTs in coconut oil can increase energy expenditure and may aid in weight loss. Antimicrobial properties. Coconut oil has natural antimicrobial properties, which can support gut health. Smoke point. The smoke point of refined coconut oil is around 400 F204 C, while unrefined coconut oil has a lower smoke point of about 350 F177 C. Best uses. Coconut oil works well for frying and baking, especially in Asian cuisine, where its flavor complements many dishes. It is also great for sautéing vegetables and making popcorn. 4. Peanut oil overview. Peanut oil, also known as groundnut oil, is extracted from peanuts and is a popular choice for frying, particularly in Asian cuisine. Health benefits. High in monounsaturated fats. Peanut oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels. Vitamin E. It is a good source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that supports skin health. Smoke point. Peanut oil has a high smoke point of about 450 F232 C, making it ideal for deep frying. Best uses. Peanut oil is excellent for frying foods like chicken, tofu, and French fries. It also works well in stir-frying due to its high heat tolerance. 5. Grapeseed oil overview. Grapeseed oil is extracted from the seeds of grapes and has gained popularity in recent years for its light flavor and high smoke point. Health benefits. High in polyunsaturated fats. Grapeseed oil is rich in polyunsaturated fats, which can help lower cholesterol levels. Rich in vitamin E. Like other oils mentioned, grapeseed oil is a good source of vitamin E, aiding in skin health and immune function. Smoke point. The smoke point of grapeseed oil is approximately 420 F216 C, making it suitable for frying and sautéing. Best uses. Grapeseed oil is versatile and can be used for frying, baking, and making dressings. Its neutral flavor makes it a great choice for various dishes. Conclusion: when it comes to frying, the choice of oil can significantly impact both the flavor and healthfulness of your meals. Extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, peanut oil, and grapeseed oil are all excellent options, each with unique benefits and ideal uses. By selecting healthier oils, you can enjoy the deliciousness of fried foods while also supporting your health. Remember to consider the smoke point and flavor profile of each oil to ensure the best results in your cooking. Enjoy frying with these healthier options.